Hey, how's it going? I'm Steve. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set this up over here on this product showcase here. If you go right here and click on Live Sales, the button here, it's going to open up this section right over here on your right. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put an image in here, and the image size will more than likely be 1920 by 1080 pixels, or it's going to be 1280 by 720 pixels. One of those two, okay? More than likely. They don't put it in here. I've suggested that they do that, put the dimension so people will know. So you're going to put your description right here. You're going to put what denomination you want, US dollar, dinar, whatever you want in here. And then from the drop down, put your description right here, short description. And then right here, you're going to place inside right this area right here, you're going to place the URL. So the way you do that is you just go over and find the URL. Like this one here. I'll go copy, and then I'm going to walk over here, watch my mouse, and you're going to right here and click Control V as a Victor. Drop it in, it's going to be in. Now, once everything is in here, okay, you can do send the item link to chat. You can click on that as well if you want to. This will go live. It's going to sit inside of this particular repository, this section right here. So you could have one here, another one here, another one down. Scroll down and grab the one you want to show as a presentation for a product that you're going to show, and you could select it. You're going to add to stream right here, okay? Right here, you're going to click on add to stream. It's going to add it to the stream when you go live. So when you're going live and you're live doing a stream, you can enable it, and it's going to go ahead and bring it in side of here as a product in the stream, okay, for you to display. That's how that works on that. It's rather simple. Just need to add it. When you want to add another one, add new item to the list, you'll just click here to add a second one. You'll click here to add a third one, and so forth, okay? So that's how it works. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Take care.